Hello everybody, it's so good to see you again.
What'd you do to your finger? Bleeding.
What?
Your finger's bleeding.
Alright, so we are on our way to Sunset Bay State Park, right? Yep. In Coos Bay, Oregon. We are, got about what, 2 hours and 45 minutes to go. Alright, back on the road we go. Daisy does not want to get in the truck. She wants to just keep walking around. She does not like the fact that we have to get going again for 2 hours and 45 more minutes. Let's see how excited she is. Hi, Daisy. Daisy, how excited are you to be going on a ride again?
Yeah, she didn't want to get back in.
Yeah. All right, so this is the... This is, where is that?
Up around the corner.
So this is the small little town of Drain.
Very small.
Very small.
We're curving around like a drain.
Oh, good one, babe. That was really good.
For 50 miles, continue straight.
Okay. Scary town. Yikes, this one's scary.
This one's long.
The semi doesn't come in here. We're dead.
That was scary.
We're bored. On these long road trips, we like to either listen to music or Kim will try to test me with some music trivia because she knows she tries so hard to stump me, but I'm kind of a genius when it
He's
comes
kind
to
of a Rain Man when it comes to
kind of a Rain
music
Man
stuff.
when it comes to music stuff.
So I found an app on my phone, so hopefully we won't lose service. And we're gonna test Jason's knowledge. So we'll see.
Test it.
All right. Who was the lead singer of the 1980s pop group Culture Club?
Boy George.
Yeah, it was easy.
Yeah, no. Come on. Get excited. That was fast.
Whose 2013 world tour was called The Mrs. Carter Show?
Beyonce.
Yes. Which type of wood did the Beatles sing about?
Norwegian wood. Right?
Yep.
Damn, I'm good.
Who had a hit in the 70s with the song Piano Man?
Billy Joel.
Which pop singer's real name is Robin Fenty?
Rihanna.
Let's see. Joe Cocker had a 1969...
A little help from my friends. Those are Beatles cover, right? Is that a question?
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Which British 1980s pop group took their name from a mad
Duran
scientist?
Duran. Right?
Yep.
Yeah, exactly.
Which country singer wrote Patsy Cline's hit Crazy?
Oh, that's a stumper. Oh man, there's so many hard ones I can't recall. Willie Nelson. Yep, Scott Pilgrim.
Michael Stipe is the lead singer of which rock group?
R.E.M.
Which pop star played 27 different instruments on their debut album?
Prince.
For You? Who was the first country artist to sell over 10 million copies of an album?
Garth Brooks.
All right, no more. You win.
Yep, I win.
Loser.
Trip we've taken in this RV so far. Here we go.
B1. There's B5 right here.
Where?
Here. So we have to go and make a loop.
Am I going the wrong? Am I going the wrong way?
No, you're going the correct way.
How can I be going the correct way?
Because there's spots on both sides.
Are you sure this is a one way?
It's not a one way.
Well, why is this guy in my way? This is us right here?
Yes, this is us right here. Here's our spot.
How do I get over to it?
You have to come up and around and act like you're heading out.
Alright, so camp is finally set up. Took us about as long to set up camp as it took us to get here. 3.5 hours.
Dirty, dirty trailer.
It's not true. It wasn't 3.5 hours. It was 5.5 hours. Now we're gonna go walk down and go walk this place and see what they got here. They should have the beach. Hey, look, hiker and bicycle. We got maps over here. I don't think I need that. So here's B3. B as in boy 3. You could probably fit maybe a 30-footer in here. Yeah, that's probably one of the biggest ones I got in here. Yeah, she doesn't. Beach access trail. Here it is, Sunset Bay Park. Pretty cool. From this point on October 4th, 1973, Malcolm Forbes of New York began the first transcontinental crossing of the United States in a hot air balloon. His unique journey ended on November 5th, 1973 in Chesapeake Bay near Newport News, Virginia. That is just fascinating. You're shaking it. You're shaking it. No, it made me scared. All right, so when you camp at the coast and you don't know how to cook your own seafood, you stop by the local restaurant and you get yourself a little to-go. We got some cod, some calamari, some scallops, some shrimp, good old IPA. Dog's got her food, so she's happy. There's our beautiful fire.
I didn't bring the second sweatshirt.
Okay, day 2. We had ourselves a little bit of a mishap today. We couldn't get our water heater to work because when we winterized it, we turned the valve. Whatever, nobody cares. So we had to end up taking a shower here. Luckily, they had good showers here at the facilities. Otherwise, we would have... I don't know, we figured it out, so we wouldn't have been screwed per se. Alright, so we're on our way to Bandon, Oregon to go see what's up in that part of town. And unfortunately we can't leave yet because it's too frickin' fogged up in here. Because we're at the beach and that's what happens. So, got Daisy all locked up and comfy back there. Go for this. So they've got lots of little tiny boutique type stores and a weird looking fish. That was really weird. Yeah, there's a cranberry sweet store right there, babe. There's a store with everything cranberry. Very odd.
I'm gonna park or just keep driving?
Just drive for now and then let's just see what we're looking at and then we'll get out. This is a quaint little town. The Chowder House. They say that lines line up out the door for that place.
This place?
Yeah, Tony's, that's the other one too. Yeah, I'll be getting me some food there later. Unfortunately, we decided not to get out of bed till 9 o'clock in the morning, so we just ate. It's now noon. Yeah. And we're not really that hungry yet. So here's the view from the pier, which is pretty cool. Looks like you can go take a walk down there too, so we'll do that. Nice. So they got a nice pier here that you can walk down, and they actually have little loaner vest that your kids can wear. This log just came through. One of the waves just pulled it, and now it's moving and gonna hit the dock. Well, luckily, looks like it's gonna stop right there. A bird almost attacked me. Hope they don't poop on me. Stupid cranberry store. It's just cranberries and popcorn, and you can just stick your hand in it where other people have eaten and just eat their caramel corn.
What do you want to get?
Sarah, I'm sure you're probably going to watch this. You would love this little store.
Right this way, and I think that looks. Oh, sweet.
Oh my god. You can literally try a sample of everything. This is nuts. You can come here for lunch and I didn't have to pay a penny. So I just came out of the cranberry store.
Take a picture of.
And Kim was not lying.
I knew you'd find the rocky road.
Yeah, found the rocky road. I found everything in there. Hey, don't take pictures of me. Good stuff. Okay, now what?
That's what you have to tell me what you want.
Dude, there's some other stuff in there. You just have to go pick some stuff, dude. For the sake of our video, show us what you got. So you went back in the cranberry store, and of course, okay.
Dark chocolate.
2 dark chocolates.
Sea salt
Okay,
caramels.
awesome.
Dark chocolate espresso beans.
Okay.
Peanut brittle.
Peanut brittle, oh my gosh. Still going?
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh.
Cheese corn.
Okay.
And beer cheese corn. It's stout. And pretzels.
Okay, I'm good with that.
That's it.
Guess we're just gonna get fatter and fatter. Awesome. Since Daisy's getting old and having a hard time walking, we bought her a cart. This is gonna be really good times. I'm sure she's gonna love it. It looks like she wants to lay in it though, so it might not be as bad as we think. She's pretty tired though. Let's see how well it works when we actually try to get going. Hi Daisy, is this good times or what? It's like, oh yeah, this is cool. Everybody's like, dude, you got an old decrepit dog. And the answer is yes, we do. I don't know.
Have a good one.
All right, take care.
You too.
All right, so we already got our first stop on the cart. Daisy, you are spoiled. All right, second day of seafood at the coast. What do you got here?
Lambs.
Lambs. Oh man, those are some fried mofos right there.
Yeah.
Let's see what I got. Some halibut, Alaskan halibut fish and chips. Let's see how they're looking. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Ooh, those look good. So we are now at Face Rock State Park. This is supposedly the #1 thing to see in Bandon. And it is pretty cool. The cool thing about the Oregon coast is that unlike a lot of other beaches, we have a lot of rock structures in the water, which make for awesome views, awesome photos. If you think about beaches in California and what have you, in Southern California, you just got a beach. But you definitely aren't gonna have anything like this. See ya. Our dog that was just a few minutes ago being pulled in a cart is now got all of her energy back all of a sudden. She's kind of crazy like that. For some reason, she likes stairs and obstacles. Anytime she can do something different. Hey, that dog's off leash over there, so. So right now we're on high tide, so all the water's pretty high up, but on low tide, you can actually walk out to all these rocks, which is pretty cool. Something we'll have to do next time we come back. Let's wait for low tide. Look at these things, these are cool. So out there, that big giant rock, there's actually a sign on it, so that during the low tide you can actually walk through there. Looks like there's some caves and some stuff. It's January, late January 27th, and this is what we've got. Baby. Hi there, little guys. That's a nice little surprise. How are you guys doing?
True 4-bind.
True 4-bind is right.
Do a review on this project.
On the cart.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, still falling.
Dang, that was one bright sun.
Yeah, baby.
Alright, our last night, our last fire. Kimmy's going out to. Hold on, let me get a cool video of this smoldering hot ball of fire. Ooh, I hope that's not bad for my GoPro. There it goes. Ooh. Whew. Smoky. Oh, I didn't even do it. Oh, it wasn't my fault.
Going around it.
Ooh. Oof, smoke alarm.
Ours?
No, it's a cart. Oh. Dude, it's funny when it's in this light, it looks like it's glowing.
That went straight to the door.
That was funny.
Use no distance card to make 1,000.
Billboards. Billboards.
Right, because with your wide angle lens, you wouldn't have been able to see that down here, but you now can up here.
Hey, I'm doing this is some movie magic, okay? Okay. After 5,000 points, I am victorious. How do you feel about your loss tonight?
My loss is fine. My gloating husband is another thing.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
I don't gloat at all.
First thing he did was grab the camera so he could get it on film. Oh, you won the game. Yeah, where was the camera the last time we played at this table? And I won.
I don't. There was no camera. There was no whiskey. Okay. What are you doing?
Washing dishes.
Why?
Because it's time to go home.
It's our final time day here. On days. We gotta clean up on days. Hi. It's cleanup time. Boo. So starting to get all the garbage put away. Getting all the cooking stuff put away, all the firewood. Yep, that time. All right, so we're just about finished, packed up. We have a couple hours to kill, so we're going for a little hike. And this one basically takes you up and over the bay so that you can see the ocean from up above. pretty steep, but me and my old lady and my old dog and my old self. Dude, I just call this old. We are kind of old. So as you can see, it's a pretty cool trail. Hard to believe that here at the coast, with the beach a couple hundred yards away, and then you get to walk through a forest canopy trail like this. All right, I doubt you can hear it, but sounds like we're getting really close to the ocean. And time for the big reveal. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's looking kind of scary. Uh-oh. Oh man, you can actually climb down there. There's some ocean in there. Hey, look, they got a rope tied up.
Jeez.
What the heck is this? Look at that, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
It's like its own little bay.
She said, is that
Kind of scary.
the rocks can crash it against the rocks.
So here's a cool view. What'd you say?
Oh, the rocks split in half.
Yeah.
That corner would have to be where that.
There's some water hitting off rocks. Oh man.
Look how green it is.
And there's a billion birds out there in the water. Actually, you know what, Kim? I don't think those birds, I think those are logs or something. There ain't nothing moving. Yep, not gonna get a view like this every day. It steps to your death. What? Pretty cool. It's like seems like 50 yards, they have a new trail that breaks off to the ocean, so you get a whole different perspective. Well, even though our dog is 13 years old and has a bad hip and gets hauled around in a cart sometimes, you take her on a hiking trail and this girl just goes crazy. And one other thing I should mention is that if you are staying at the Sunset Bay Park and camping, this trail is literally a 5-minute walk from the campsite, and we've done about maybe half an hour, and it looks like it goes on for a few more miles, so it's a pretty nice hike.
Bye.
Hi, Days. Just like a puppy. That dog is nuts. What is it, a bridge? Man, I don't want to bite it. Hey, a little waterfall. Yeah, it is wobbly. That's scary. Oh, isn't that pretty? Daisy could drink that water. So now we're down on the rocks. I'm not exactly sure where the trail goes from here, but unfortunately we're running out of time. We got to check out by 1 o'clock today. We got a 4-hour drive back home, so we can go back to work tomorrow. Yay for us. Dang, these rocks are really slippery. I took a shortcut. You're wondering, how did I get here, huh? I went up the steep hill. That steep hill. Oregon Coast Trail. Another mile to what?
The Shore Acres Park.
Yeah. So you got a good 1.3. It's probably a good 2-mile hike. All right, and just like that, another trip has come to an end.
Boo.
Boo. We are all loaded back up. Everything's good to go. Kim's doing one last sweep. It was kind of a little bit of mud here today.